Good morning, dear students. I hope you must have done the homework sums given to you in the previous lecture from the practice set 6.1. Today we are going to learn about the applications of trigonometry. Now students, many a times we need to know the height of the tower, the height of a building, a tree, or you have to find out the distance of the ship from the lighthouse, or you have to either find out the width of the river. So how do you find out the height of tower, building? Will you take a tape and from the bottom to the top you will measure the height? No. So here we make use of trigonometry and a right angle triangle, because trigonometry is always applicable in a right angle triangle, and this application of trigonometry has a wider use and it is used in navy, army, engineering, technologies, many fields it is been used. So therefore let us see how to find the height of the tower or a tree, or the width of the river, or to find a ship from other ship, to the distance between the two ships, and so on. So for this we need 3 points to be understood, and those 3 points are: the first one, line of vision, and the second one is angle of elevation, and the third one is angle of depression. These 3 things we need to know in order to find the heights or the distance. Angle of depression. Now what is line of vision? For that, open page number 133 of your geometry textbook. Supposing if an observer is standing at a location A looking at an object B, then the line AB, suppose observer is at point A and he is observing a point B, then this line is called as line of vision. Then we come to angle of elevation. For this, let us consider AM as the horizontal line. AM as the horizontal line, and this observer is standing, consider observer is standing at point A and he is observing to an object higher or above the line of vision. And supposing he is observing the top of the tower, or he is observing the top of a tree, or he is observing the star or planets, then that line is nothing but it is called as line of vision. So let us consider AB as the line of vision. This is your horizontal line, and this is your line of vision. So by the horizontal line and the line of vision, as he is observing upward, we get an angle, and this angle we have to show with the arrow mark upward. So this angle is called as angle of elevation. Similar way, angle of depression. So let us consider an observer at a point A, and this is your horizontal line AM, and this observer at A is on the top of a tower or a top of a building, and he is observing a person on the road walking. Consider B is another person who is standing below the building, and observer A is observing B from the top of a building. So this line is called as line of vision. Line AB is called as line of vision. AM is your horizontal line. Now with the help of this horizontal line and line of vision, we get an angle MAB and show the arrow mark downward as observer is observing downward. So this angle formed is called as angle of depression. So if you know these three points, then all the verbal problems will be very very easy for you to solve. Hope you must have understood what is line of vision, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So keep this point in mind. When a person is observing above the horizontal line, we get angle of elevation. When a person is observing below the horizontal line, then we get angle of depression.